Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you turn off OpenTable Insider notifications on your OpenTable app. So all you have to do, just go above this photo, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list on your profile. Then you click here on account settings and you come to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on communications and you go down here and you click here on email notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list and you come here to open table insert here, click in this sign or this color. The like you see color, it's gone. That's mean open table insert notifications turn off with us now here. Then you go, so then all you have to do, you just go back, you click in this sign and you click on save. Then it's going to save with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.